Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Study Test for You, and this is Satish. Today's agenda is Jupyter installation. So as I said in previous class, PyCharm is the one of the most useful editor for Python, and same as PyCharm, Jupyter is also one of the popular editor for Python. So in this session, I will show you how to download Jupyter and how to install the Jupyter and how to set up a project and how to create a sample program in Jupyter. I will show you today. And by using Jupyter, there is also one more advantage. We can run the Python programs online also. We can run the programs in Jupyter in online as well as offline. So there is a two options in Jupyter mode, and it is also one of the popular editor for Python. So today we'll show you how to install and how to run the Jupyter. First, as usual, we have to go to the Google and type the jupyter.org. So this is the official website for Jupyter download, and go down, and here Jupyter Lab, it is a high pro version like kind of thing, so we don't require this one. So this is the Jupyter Notebook. This is the good editor for Python. So here, if you observe here, so we have two options: try in your browser, install the notebook. So this is online mode, this is offline mode. So if you don't want to install even PyCharm also, you can directly use this as your editor for Python. So first I will show you in browser mode, then I will show you how to install the notebook and how to use in offline mode. So now click on try in your browser. So now it is showing the different options. So here we require Python. So the first one I'm going to be clicking. So it's getting loading. So please wait for some time. It will open the window for creating a file. So this is online Jupyter editor for creating Python files and running the Python files. So see here, there is an option file, go to file, and here you can create new notebook, and under the select the Python 3. So it will create a new notebook, means it's a kind of new project where you can run the directly programs. So here it is run the environment, how it will be designed in Jupyter means every program or every snippet is represented in one rectangle box, and that rectangle box will be running by one. So here in each rectangle box we can write a snippet of the code or a bit of code. So let us assume that here just what we written previous, the same way if I want to run, see, print bracket open hello world, purely online, so you need not install anything to run this. So print hello world, just you click on the run button. See here the output came here. So even for taking input also we can try it out. So name is equal to, see, input of enter name, see here run, and here asking that input from keyboard. Let's take, I'm giving Satish, see here. So that output also enter name Satish came. So let's take, I'm giving now print name. So now you see run it. So like this you can run a snippet by snippet by using this rectangular boxes, and even for this shortcut is shift plus enter. When you click on shift plus enter, the code will execute it automatically. Like example, see here, print welcome to Jupyter. So shift enter. So see here automatically the output came. So like this we can run the code in Jupyter online notebook. So this is one approach where we can run the Python programs if you don't have Python installed in your system or Python doesn't have available in your machine. And now we will see that how to download Jupyter and how to use in our mission. So see here, so now I will show you how to download Jupyter in our mission. So I'm going down. So here install the notebook. So here you have different options. So by using Conda Anaconda we can also install the Jupyter, and also by using pip command also we can install the Jupyter. So the above one Jupyter Lab, now we have to go for Jupyter Notebook. So here the command is pip install notebook, and if you want to create a new notebook, Jupyter Notebook. So where we have to install this means very simple, command prompt. We have to go to the command prompt, because where you install the Python also. So simply type the command prompt, and here you have to type the command pip install. So you can see the command install notebook and enter, and wait for installing the notebook in your machine. So it's downloading required components. So please wait until the installation completed successfully. So this is offline mode. So if you install like this, we can run the Python programs without having internet, because it will run in our local machine. Yeah, it's installed successfully in our machine. So now if I want to run the Python program, so now we have to type Jupyter followed by notebook. Yeah, see here. So by in our machine in localhost it is created. Yeah. So now click on new, and here notebook option under Python 3 is there. Click on that Python 3. It will open as similar to in previous case. See here. Just you can run here directly. Print hello world. So shift enter. Now you see hello world running. So this is the way how you can install the Jupyter in both online and offline mode, and you can run the Python program in both online and offline mode using Jupyter. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment in comment section. For online and offline classes, please visit our website www.fratelleinotech.com, and for more tutorials, please visit our website www.kennysworld.com. Thanks for supporting us. If you really like this video, please subscribe our channel, and please hit the bell icon for more notifications, and please like the video and share the video if you really like it. Thanks for watching.